Hey families, I wanted to go through real quick with how you figure out the resource schedule each day. So you will start off at our class web page. If you click over to resource schedule, a calendar will download right here. Find today's date and read what it says. So for example, if today is the 14th, it says music Google Meet. Okay, we'll go back to home. We will go down to music Google Meet and we will log in at 10:20 for that. If it is September 15th and it says music on their own, then you either complete the activity from the resource teacher or you do something on the choice board that you were given in their first packet. So let me go through that one more time. If you come to our class webpage and you click over to resource schedule, you find what day of the week it is, and you read what it says. If it says Art Google Meet, then you go back home and you click on Art Google Meet. If it says Art on their own, then you are either completing the activity from the teacher or something from the choice board you were given. One last thing with resource, our time does start at 10:20, but please be flexible. The resource teachers have classes in person back to back to back, so it's going to take them a minute to shift gears and to log into the computer and get their Google Meet ready to go. So please be patient. Thank you so much.